It's Miss Tiffany from the Butler Area Public Library, and I am here to talk to you about some strategies to improve your family's family literacy through singing. Now, I know singing is not something that everyone is comfortable with, but we're going to talk about ways that you can begin incorporating it more into your family's activities. And we're going to talk about why it doesn't really matter whether you're good at singing or not. The literacy benefit is the same either way. When a new baby enters a family, it seems like singing comes as second nature. Either you're singing lullabies to them to try to soothe them to sleep, or you're making up silly songs to get through whatever activity you're doing to keep them from fussing, or you're just singing for fun, singing nursery rhyme songs, singing made up songs, maybe even singing some of your favorite songs from your childhood. As a child begins to develop, they will start learning some of those songs on their own, and they will begin making up their own songs, which is always really fun. They will also begin to experience the music that they are exposed to in their everyday life. So if you listen to music in the car, you may realize that your child is starting to learn some of the lyrics to the songs that you listen to all the time. They will also begin to pay attention to the way music and singing factors into their everyday routine. For example, when I do story times, I always open and close with the same song. And by the time a child has gone through several story time sessions, they now know that that song signals the beginning and the end of story time, and they have started to learn the words and begin singing it with me. Children will begin to connect songs to meaning. For example, they will start to understand that when we sing the happy birthday song, it means it's someone's birthday. And oftentimes you'll see children use that to their advantage. Perhaps they want some cake, so they will say it's someone's birthday and they will sing the happy birthday song. They begin using music as a way of conveying emotion and ideas and as a way of playing. Singing is really important because it helps a child begin to establish vocabulary. Singing engages their senses, and singing helps them start to learn the natural rhythm of the way we speak and eventually the way we read. Singing also helps a child develop their listening skills. That is how they begin to learn the words to the songs that they hear every day. They have to be actively listening to what they are being exposed to in order to learn those words. You can even use songs to help your child learn to follow directions. Songs like "This is the way we brush our teeth," "This is the way we wash our face," "Head, shoulders, knees, and toes." Those are all songs that help children follow directions. Those same literacy skills that children develop through music apply to adults as well. When we are listening to new music, we have to actively listen to it in order to learn the words. We will definitely learn vocabulary as adults through music as well. Often adults feel self-conscious singing to children. They may say things like, "I don't sing very well," or "I'm not comfortable singing," or "I don't really like singing." But it's important that you really stretch yourself out of your comfort zone and engage in this activity. Soon you will be able to encourage the child to sing with you so that you're not singing alone. But honestly, children don't care whether or not you are pitch perfect. They don't care if you stumble a little bit. All they know is you're having fun, they're having fun, and they're learning along the way. Oftentimes, there are book forms of common songs. We have several books at the library that are songs, so you can read the book and sing the song together as a great literacy activity for your family. Often I will do this in story times as well. Singing is also a great way to introduce different languages to children if you live in a multilingual household or if you are helping your child learn an additional language. I use a lot of American Sign Language in my story times when I sing. So I teach children how to say hello, friends, goodbye, all through singing songs at story time and using American Sign Language to do it. As children get older and they are more verbal and they are more independent, if you've already established a pattern of singing in your daily routine, you can begin engaging the child in creating songs as well. So maybe you guys always sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider first thing in the morning. Now you could ask the child, let's make up a new verse. What do you think the Itsy Bitsy Spider should do? Or you could totally write new lyrics to familiar tunes. Things like The Wheels on the Bus is a song that I rewrite all the time for story time. There's a reason why we teach children to sing their ABCs. There's a reason why there are songs to help children learn the days of the week and the months of the year. Children are really able to absorb information in the form of song because there is a rhythm and a flow to the words, and it really helps them improve their memory. If you received one of our family literacy kits, one of the pieces of paper inside there will provide you a code that you can scan to find a playlist on Spotify of some great music for kids. But if you did not receive our family literacy kit, that is okay because I will include that link in the description of this video as well. I hope this video has been helpful in terms of finding ways to involve your family in some singing literacy activities. If you have any questions about singing as a form of literacy or anything library related, please reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.